The Houberg estate, designed by Blok and Sanne Eekel, is situated along the former trade route of the Rhine River, now reclaimed as a tranquil nature reserve. The house stands on a slightly elevated site, anchoring itself in the expansive landscape and exemplifying a profound integration between architecture and nature. The residence is composed of 3 wings, each oriented toward a distinct landscape: the English garden, agricultural fields, and the ancient river bends. This layout emphasizes the estate's deep connection with its surroundings. Arrival is choreographed through a winding road in the English parkland, gradually revealing different perspectives of the house and heightening the sense of approach. A robust natural stone base grounds the structure, supporting a lightweight wooden pavilion above. The choice of warm-toned wood and locally sourced stone ensures harmony with the environment. Expansive glass facades provide uninterrupted panoramic views, creating a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces. The upper level is designed as a flexible open plan, suitable for both intimate living and large family gatherings. Each space offers unique atmospheres and vistas, unified by a central staircase connecting all floors. The flowing, curved forms guide movement through the house, culminating in a tea room at the roof level, a private retreat for the owners. The project focuses on transforming a once polluted site into a thriving natural habitat, enhancing biodiversity and extending the adjacent Natura 2000 area. New forests have been planted, and parts of the estate are open to the public. The integration of organic farming and ecological stewardship highlights a commitment to sustainability. The Houberg estate exemplifies a harmonious balance between past and future. Its modest yet noble architecture connects inhabitants with nature, revitalizing the landscape and setting a benchmark for sustainable estate design.